In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. If you're managing your finances through Zoho Books, understanding how to generate reports is an essential skill that will help you get the most out of your financial data. So let's dive right into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head over to your dashboard. From here, you'll notice several options on the interface, but today our focus is on reports. Look towards the sidebar or top menu, depending on your setup, and click on the option labeled Reports. This section serves as the gateway to a wealth of information concerning your business's financial health. Once in the Reports section, you'll see a variety of report categories to choose from. These categories are organized to help you quickly find the type of report you're interested in, such as financial reports, sales, purchases, or inventory reports, among others. It's like having a personal assistant sorting out all your financial documentation. Next, select the category that best suits the data you need to analyze. For instance, if you're interested in understanding your cash flow, you'd gravitate towards financial reports. Selecting a category will expand a list of specific reports available within that classification. For instance, under financial reports, you could find profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, all ready to offer insights into your business operations. Once you've identified and clicked on the specific report you want, you'll notice options to customize it. This is an important step, as tailoring your report to match the correct time span ensures that you're working with the most relevant data. You can choose a date range, selecting from standard options like the current year, last year, last year, or even customize it to reflect a period specific to your current needs. This flexibility means you can analyze trends as they happen or perform comparative analyses across different timeframes. Having customized your report, it's now time for the final step. With your specific parameters set, click the button labeled Run Report. This action prompts Zoho Books to compile the data based on your specifications, delivering a comprehensive document you can now review. Remember, these reports are not just numbers on a page. They can offer profound insights into your business performance, helping you make informed decisions. Whether you're using these for routine checkups or to present to stakeholders, understanding how to efficiently navigate and utilize Zoho Books reporting tools will certainly empower you. And that's it. You've successfully found and run a report in Zoho Books. With practice, this will become second nature and you'll be able to leverage this tool to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.